memory and 128 GB internal memory in an orange color device. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, slot for 2 nano SIM card. We have, let's see, slot. Okay, we have slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, close slot. Key in complementation, and all complementation is papers, documentary, quick guides, and only cable USB Type-C for USB Type-C for charging and connecting to PC, connecting to computer. Poor complementation, without headphones, without charge station, charge block, adapter for charging, headphones, only cable. Okay, device made soft touch plastic, very good material, quad camera, LED camera on the back side. On the front side, display 6.4-inch display. On this side, power key and volume keys. On this side, without controls. Upside slot and microphone, downside microphone, Type-C port and speaker device without headphones jack, 3.5 millimeters. Turn on device, we have very good display, Super AMOLED, Full HD Plus resolution, 90 Hz display. Open Geekbench 5, we have Android 12, CPU Exynos 1280, this octa-core processor 6+2 GHz, 6+2 cores, 2 GHz and 2.4 GHz, and GPU Mali G68. Look resolution, single core score and multi-core score. Okay. Close this and open under the benchmark. Look under the benchmark score. Under the benchmark score. Okay. Under the benchmark scores, in the ranking we have about 90 plays. We have 93 plays in top 100 devices. Games, Guitar San Andreas doesn't work. This problem all 11 and 12 Androids. Guitar San Andreas doesn't work on 11 and 12 Android. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and Diablo Immortal new game works on the high graphics, but only 30 Hz. 60 Hz doesn't work. Okay, game load and works high graphic level, but 30 Hz. Looks good. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 38 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see photos.